Well, over in West Texas today, a historic first day in space when a young woman blasted off on a Blue Origin rocket ride, officially becoming the first person who uses a wheelchair to go into space. And now back on the ground, she's sharing her unforgettable experience with NBC's Valerie Castro.
In West Texas today, Blue Origin launching its 9th flight of the year. But for the first time, carrying a crew member to space unlike any before her.
Oh, we are in space.
Let's go here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
33-year-old Michaela Benthaus, an engineer from Germany, becoming the first wheelchair user in space, floating inside the capsule and looking down on Earth. Emerging triumphantly after a 10-minute flight. How are you feeling right now?
I feel pretty excited. Still feels like I dreamed it.
Benthaus, who became a wheelchair user after a mountain bike accident 7 years ago left her paralyzed, describing the challenges she faces in this promotional video provided by Blue Origin.
I really figured out how inaccessible our world still is and how sometimes socially excluding a wheelchair can be.
Those limitations momentarily erased as she experienced weightlessness.
How did it feel to be unconstrained by gravity?
Super nice. I tried to turn upside down, you know.
Blue Origin says the new Shepard flight program is designed to make space more accessible. Benthaus hoping her flight raises awareness about inclusivity for people with disabilities, not just in space, but also down on Earth.
I hope that it kind of shows people that you should never give up on your dreams.
Valerie Castro, NBC News.